The issue of cannabis exposures to young children is a growing problem. It's been growing ever since cannabis was around, and now it's growing more because more and more states are legalizing cannabis and cannabis products, and it is much easier to get into the hands of a young child. And because cannabis edibles look exactly like candy or cookies or brownies perhaps, and they look tasty to the child, they're not going to have any way of discerning whether or not that's something that has an illicit substance for them in it, or whether it came from, the shopping aisle at your local supermarket. So when a young child ingests an edible with cannabis products, initially you'll see pretty much nothing, because most often it takes about somewhere between 30 minutes to 2 hours for the substance to hit your system and for you to have substantial effects. The first effects might be some awkward speech, possibly even some dizziness or being off balance. Then generally over the course of an hour or two, the patients become more and more sleepy. Often they have some vomiting, and sometimes they will be falling and or be acting very strange to the parents, to the point where they will become generally unconscious depending on the dose after several hours. The extent of the problem is huge, and the numbers are growing by the year. A recent study showed that over the past several years we've had a 1,300% increase in the amount of ingestions in children less than 6 years of age. So parents and guardians can prevent their children getting into edibles, first off, by not having them easily available to the child. So anytime you have these products in your household, they should be locked up and they should be in a place where the children cannot get to them. If your child ingests an edible of any type, whether it be chocolate, whether it be a gummy that contains cannabis, or any type of illicit substance, then we want you to bring them directly to Stony Brook Children's. From there, we'll take the best care of your child we possibly can.